my name is Kostin and I'm here today for telling you about my favorite specialty that I learned in Belgorod Industrial College. When I tell someone about my specialty, they don't know exactly what does it mean. So that is why today I'm going to tell you about what does my specialty Mechatronics and mobile robot technique mean. Let's talk about my profession as well. Mechatronics, that is science that consists of mechanic, electronic, programming and system design, engineering for making some usable products. Now I'm going to show you some interesting things at the classroom of mechatronics and automatization. This conveyor helps us to produce some interesting things in the factory. It helps us to take a more short period of time of production and also help people to don't be tired at the end of the working day. That is why how it's work. You can see here is a conveyor. You can move some interesting things that you produce in the factory by using this metal strokes. So if you want to know about my profession, you have to know what does robotics mean. Robotics is a part of engineering and science. It's the work of creation and building robots. This science needs people who have studied mechanical engineering, electrician engineering, or computer programming. This mechatronic complex we usually use in the factory when we need to start some of the details. You can see wood details that was made of metal, and details with a hole in the center.
The science of today is technology of tomorrow. The future promises us many wonderful changes in the field of science. These developments will certainly lead to the appearance of new technologies. Humanity is rapidly moving along the way of new technologies that make our life more modern. After many years' fruitless search, humanity created our advanced future and became aware of its own greatness.
And also in our college we have a lab of mechatronics and mobile robotics. You can see some interesting things in this lab. There are lots of robots, for instance robot hands that can move some of the things by itself, and just other robots that can move some produce in the factory and doing any tasks in the factory that humans don't be able to do in some of the area. But why do we use robots? Why is it necessarily for humans? It's very good for us because we can use it in factories, in the army, staying, medicine, at home and in high-tech technologies. As a conclusion, I can still tell you about that robotics is modern science that can help you with a future life. They are being used everywhere, in house, at work, at city, street. We can do nothing without usable invention. Robots with artificial intelligence are going to help us more perfectly, especially with modern sensors and modern science of the future. Thanks for attention and be interested about the science.